Welcome to FCG Power Industries. We are manufacturers of flame-proof and weatherproof electrics 1998. In this video, we will discuss about flame-proof fire alarm station and the other name is manual call point. Before starting, if you are in need of any flame-proof and weatherproof electrical products used under Zone 1 and 2 with group classification 2A, 2B, 2Z like LED fittings, push-button station, switch sockets, junction boxes, control panel, lighting panel, floodlights, fans, air conditioner, limit switches, aviation lights, rotary switches, DOL starter, tube lights, hand lamps, reaction measure lamp, bell glass fittings, cable glands. Even in cable gland, we are giving with MOC, BNP, and as well as stainless steel also. So anything related to flame and weatherproof, kindly drop your message so we will revert with cheapest price in market and also delivery at the earliest. Our head office is located in Mumbai and our factory is in Vapi, Gujarat. In the past 20 years, we have supplied to around 2000 clients all over the world, and we have displayed the most important clients alone for your reference. As you all aware, without certificates, flame-proof products can't be sold out as per government rules. So we are having all the certificates like CMFR, PISO, and BAS, and I have listed out the IEC standard with the numbers. While discussing the technical data related to this fire alarm station, I will show you the respective CMFR and PISO BAS numbers and all, and you can cross check. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, for explaining in video, I have taken cut copy pasted, but you can ask us detailed technical drawing and installation guidelines, so we will help us. The technical drawing will be something different. Okay, just for explaining in video, I have taken just cut copy pasted. Okay, anyway, the type is flame proof EXT as per IEC 60079 and the protection will be IP65 as per IEC 60529. The gas group is 2A 2B as per 60079 and the material we have used is copper free cast aluminum alloy and the finish is post office red sheets 538 of IS5. Since it is fire alarm station, we can give it as in red only, but if you take other products, it is purely as per customer. This is whatever the color the customer asks, we will provide. Generally the light gray is standard, but we are giving as per customer requirement also. The rating is 10 amps and the components will be elements 1NO plus 1NC. The actuator is red, gasket will be neoprene, and the cable entry will be 3-4 inch two numbers. If you need cable gland and star plug additionally, you can ask us, so we will quote accordingly. Everything will be one number inside and two numbers outside, and the type number is CFA 31201. In fire alarm station and the manual control point, we are having two types. This is indirect entry. If you see, the terminal box will be at the bottom and above it is separate, like glass pot, everything is there. But in direct entry, the terminal box will not be there and the single box only will be there. In future videos I will show you that, but anyway, this is indirect type. So the type number will be CFA 31201, whereas direct entry will be CFA 31101. The respective CMFR and PISO numbers I have listed as 646 and as 238, and for PISO PB129456 bar 16. As I said in the starting, just I copy pasted from the technical drawing the front view on the side view, and if you see the dimension, everything will be there. What will be the in between distance and where the logo will be there, everything we have shown here. But you can call us for technical drawing and installation guidelines, we will help you surely. Okay, and the price displayed here 4000 is excluding GST, and also it is not the the correct price, because as you know, with respect to quantity, everything will differ if it comes to flame proof products. Okay, you can call us by with all the details, like how much quantity you required, or with cable gland or star plug, something like that. So we will give you the cheap and best price, and also delivery at the earliest. Okay, you can call us anytime. The WhatsApp number is displayed and the mail also is there. You can contact anytime from anywhere. We will help you all over the India or around the world. Okay, okay, friends. That's it regarding the fire alarm station and manual call point. In the next video, I will show you some other flame-proof products. Okay, we are having around 200 plus products, and I have in the beginning I have shown you the different types of flame-proof products, and I also shown you on the right hand side if you see some products alone, like LED, aviation, reaction method, like that. Anyway, I'm going to show you all the products you can go through, and you can any inquiry you can call us. We will help you. Thank you, friends.